Hello, this is video number 3 and 4 actually, to help us to lower our anxiety and stress and increase our feeling of emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Today is about connecting with your body, and we're going to do it 2 different ways, and I'm going to show you that. And these are things I do for myself, and I also teach my clients, so I'm going to ask you to experiment after this. So see which one of these brings you the most calm, the most comfort. I'll demonstrate here and then practice on your own in a quiet place at first, and then see what you notice in your body, in your mind, and your emotion. So number 1, we're going to cross our arms and we're going to tuck our hands under our armpits and then lower your head and hold your breath. Many of my clients say this helps them to feel calm and comforted. It also brings more compassion. I'm always working on increasing our self-compassion so we can increase our compassion for other people and hold the space for them. So the second one is connecting with your body. You put one hand on your opposite rib cage and the other on your upper arm. So you can see you can do it either way. See which one feels most comfortable at first, and then hold that. Even breathe into it. And you can teach this to your family, your friends, to children, teaching children how to hug themselves. And if you're a kid watching, you can pretend that you're hugging a teddy bear. And you don't have to be shy about that, because we all love soft, cuddly hugs. Whether it's our teddy bear, a doll, our partners, our family, our friends. That's the hardest thing about this social distancing, is that we can't hug one another. So with the people who are around you, you might want to increase the amount that you're hugging. And if you don't have anyone, and I have quite a few clients that are social distancing on their own, it's pretty tough. So I encourage them to give themselves this beautiful, wonderful hug. The secret is we all love this soft feeling. So you don't have to be shy about it, even if you're, a guy and you don't want anybody to know. Sometimes if we're out amongst people, we can even give ourselves a nice hug this way, so nobody has to really know. Or we can pretend we're chilly. So just wrap your hands one way, try it the other way, and see which way is most comfortable for you. So thank you very much. My name is Dr. Veronika Tracy-Smith, and this is part of the Crisis Stabilization and Safety Toolkit. And I'm so glad that you are trying these things, because we want to help you bring your stress and anxiety down and increase your feeling of well-being. So look for video number 5. This is actually 3 and 4. I'm sneaking 2 in together because they're very similar. So look for the next video, and I hope that you take good care of yourself and give yourself lots of hugs. Thank you so much.